Hello everyone, day 2 start with line graph. And first of all, you are this reading structures and it is helping on the writing task 1. I show it. First of all, do you use these linking words however, whereas, in contrast, by contrast, while list, similarly, oppositely, mention and decrease words less, more, different, double, threes, half. Don't mention any figure in overall unless it is the years. Make the comparison of figures and decreased clearly in body paragraphs. Start with this intro and topic. First of all, do you read it in the thesis statement like question statement? This chart below shows the changes that took place in the three different areas of crime in Newport City Center from 2003 to 2012. This means 2003 started off different places, areas changes like took Newport. This started with 2003 2012. The year is mentioned 2003 to 2012. Figures are mentioned. First of all, do you intro? Show it. This chart provided key information about transportation in various areas of crime between 2003 and 2012. I mentioned that these figures in these years in the Newport City Center, the units are measured by number of incidents. This means the many incidents started with 2003 2012. The information is transformation or various areas like crime. Start with this overall. Overall is no figure mentioned. First of all, this BP1 and of all this overall. You are sure makes to overall the second BP. It is clear that it is undoubtable that it is clear from that the chart there is a significantly decrease during the given period in Barkilla crime. The number of this crime in 2003 was about 3500 incident. I show it. 305 in these figures is mentioned that Barkilla and then it sharply decreased in 2012 to become about 4000 incidents. In addition, the number of car therapy thefts fluctuated throughout the period. In 2003, it was reported about 3400 incidents, and in 2008, I show it. This figure is no mention about it is 34. This approximately you usually words like however, while is in contrast, approximately, certainly, etc. The figure dropped to reach is approximately. I seem this mention these words approximately 1100 incidents. BP2 according to when what is the shown in this comparison between the numbers of burglars and cars thefts. It is notable that the number of car thefts is less than this no mention this figure less than the number of burglars during the given period in terms of the number of incidents of robbery means kidnapping and thefts from individuals. It can be observed that it has a lower trend than the other crimes in 2003. It is a watch it 2003 is a slightly declined. It's almost 2005 It is slightly to become in 900 incidents. Robbery is therapy and is a high incline of this mention this mm, increasing words of burglar. Second of all, car theft, and third of all is a robbery. And of all this conclusion, it is observed that there are several different between the different types of incidents, crimes, and this robbery had the lowest number of incidents in Newport City centers. First of all, do you read this full screenshot? And you use of connectors, noise, grammatical mistakes, vocab words, idioms, and variations. Next video is variations. Please completely full you are watch it. Thank you for everyone watching.